Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment: Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. Here is a project description. You can also read it out and understand the assignment. Now move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. Creator has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Excel workbook from MyLab IT dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyLab IT dashboard. Here is the file: Celebrity Musician Souvenirs Shop. You can also download this file from your MyLab IT dashboard. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: you notice that the worksheet contains some spelling errors that need to be corrected. Use Excel to check and correct the spelling errors in the worksheet. First, you will go to the workbook, Excel workbook, then go to the review tab, then click on spelling, then yes, then click on the change all spell check are completed. Now question number 2 are completed. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is: you want to use autofill to enter a series of codes to enter the product numbers. Enter 101 in cell B5 and use autofill to complete the sequence for the range B6 to B10 with a series. In this question, you will have to enter a number in cell B5 and then the range B6 to B10. In B5, we will have write number 101. Then you will have to simply drag and down to the last of the range. If you have any trouble with your assignment, you can also contact me. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. Simply you will have to drag and down to the last of the range and then click on this drop down. Because they populate the same value in all cells, we need a series of values 101, 102, 103. You will have to click on this drop down autofill option, then click on fill, and you will have to see that the series of values are displayed in code column. Move to the instruction file and question number 4. Question number 4 is: to motivate customers to buy more products, you want to change the 5% 0.05 off to 10% and 0.010 off. Find the all occurrences of 0.05 and replace them with the 0.10. Basically, in this question, you will have to find the occurrences. You will go to the home tab, then click on find and select, then go to the replace section and then find occurrences 0.05. You will have to type find word 0.05 and then replace with minus 0.10, then click on replace all done. We have made one replacement and press OK. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is column contains the cost of each product and column D contains the markup rate. Using these values, you will calculate the markup amount for each product in column E. In cell E5, enter a formula to calculate the markup amount, which is the result of multiplying the cost by the markup rate. Copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. In this question, you will have to write a formula in E5 to calculate the markup amount and then multiply the cost by markup rate and then copy the formula to the range E6 to E10. In E5, you will have to write a formula equals to cost are represented by C5 multiplied by D. Simply you will have to drag and down to the last of the range this formula. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, now that you have calculated the markup amount, you can calculate the retail price for each product in column F. In cell F5, enter a formula to calculate the retail price, which is the sum of the cost and the markup amount. Copy the formula to the range F6 to F10. In cell F5, you will have to enter a formula equals to cost plus markup, then press enter. The retail price are calculated now, and then copy the formula to the range F8 to F10. Simply you will have to drag this formula to the last range F10. You can see that the values are populated in these cells. Retail price of all the products are calculated. Now move to the instruction file. Question number 6. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is each item is on sale this week. Use the sale price is X percent of the retail price. You need to calculate the sale price. In cell H5, calculate the sale price. Copy the formula down to the range H6 to H10. In cell H5, you will have to write a formula equals to retail price are representing F5 multiply with minus G5. G5 are representing percent of sales. Press enter. Then you will have to simply drag this formula down to the last of the range. You can see that the sale price are populated in these cells. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is the profit margin is the ratio of the net profit as a percentage of revenue. The formula first calculates the net profit between the sale price and the cost and divides that by the sale price. In cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. Simply, you will have to write a formula in I5 to calculate the profit margin equals to H5 H5 minus cost C5, then divided by H5. You can see that the profit margin are calculated. Now the copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. Simply you will have to drag this formula to the last of the range. You can see that profit margin are calculated. Question number 8 are done now. Now move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is you decide to add a column to display the profit because profit is a dollar amount. You want to keep the profit column close to another column of the dollar amounts. You will insert a column for the profit amount and enter column heading. Insert a new column and enter profit amount in cell I4. Basically, in this question, you will have to insert a new column. Right click on this column I, and insert button. You will have to insert a new column and enter a name profit amount I4 profit amount. Question number 9 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 10. Question number 10 is now you are ready to enter the profit amount formula. In cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit, which is the difference between the sale price and original cost. Copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. In cell I5, you will have to write a formula to calculate the profit, which is the difference between the sale price and the original cost. And then you will have to copy the formula to the range I6 to I10. In cell I5, write a formula H5 minus cost, then press enter. You can see that profit amounts are calculated. Simply you will have to drag and this formula down to the last of the range. Question number 10 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 11. Question number 11 is you want to insert two rows for category names above their respective products. Then you want to delete the row containing the soundtrack CD. Insert a new row 5 and type apparel in cell A5. Insert a new row 8 and enter Souvenirs in cell A8. Build the words in cell A5 and A8. Delete row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. Basically, in this question, you will have to insert a new row. First, you will have to select this row 5, then right click on this and insert. New row are inserted. Then type apparel in cell A5. In A5, type apparel and insert a new row 8 and enter Souvenirs in cell A8. click on this, then click on insert button to insert a new row. In this cell you will have to type Souvenirs. Then hold this and delete row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. In this part you will have to delete the row 11 that contains the soundtrack CD. To delete this row, if you have any trouble with your assignment, you can also contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I have handled MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam, or a complete course. Question number 12 is column A is too narrow for the product names. You want to increase the width. In addition, you want to increase the height for the first row. Finally, you decide to hide the product code column. Increase the width of column A to 23.00. Change the height of row 1 to 30. Hide column B that containing the product codes. First you will have to select this column, then right click on this and column width and write 23. Press OK. And the next is change the height of row 1 to 30. Select this row, then right click on this and click on row height 30. Press OK. Then hide column B that containing the product codes. Simply you will have to hide the column B. Right click on this, select this column B, and then right click on this, then click on hide button to hide this column. Question number 12 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is the t-shirt product is below the Souvenirs heading. The product belongs in the apparel section. You will move the t-shirt product row to be above the Souvenirs heading. Select and cut the range A11 to J11. Insert cut cells in on row 8. First you will have to select the range. Select this range and right click on this, cut this and then A8, then paste this. Question number 13 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 14. Question number 14 is the travel mug product information is missing because it is similar to the mug data. You will copy and paste the mug data and then edit it for the travel mug. Copy the range A10 to J10 and paste it in cell A12. In cell A12, enter travel mug. In cell C12, enter 7. First, you will have to select this range and paste it in cell A12. Paste this and enter travel mug. In this travel mug in cell C12 and enter 7. Enter 7 in C. Question number 14 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 15. Question number 15 is you want to experiment with paste options in cell A1. Apply bold, select I4 PT font size and select dark red font color. Copy the range A1 to J12 and paste it in cell A20 as values and source formatting. Basically, in this question, you will have to apply bold, select and apply font size 14 and select dark red color. First, you will have to select this cell and apply bold color. Font is bold and 14 font size and apply color dark red. Copy the range A1 to J12 and paste in cell A20 as value as source formatting. Simply you will have to copy and paste these cells. Question number 15 are completed now. We have now completed 15 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, for your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.